Hello guys, me again, Nigel, with another part of this review of the beautiful 1350th Yamato from Verifier. And I come to you this time with my tail between my legs because I've been basically letting you believe during my reviews that if you get the advanced version, you get these 5 sheets of photo etch, which are the same as these 5 sheets of photo etch here, and you just don't get that one there. So this is the deluxe version, this is the advanced version. This kit is nearly twice the price of this one. Okay, so well, it's not nearly twice the price, actually, that's a lie. This one's $149.99, this one's about $279, I believe. And obviously in the deluxe version you still get the wooden deck that you get in this one. And you still get the kit itself. Obviously you get the metal barrels and that as well, but you get a lot more resin, a hell of a lot more resin in a deluxe version than you do in the advanced version. So you know, if you want to build the ultimate Yamato out of the box and not have to spend any more money on aftermarket, go for the DX version and fill your boots. Now this one here, I just assumed, which we should never do because it makes an ass of you and me, and this time it's me. I assumed that these 5 sheets would be the same as those. I mean, why would they go to the trouble of redesigning photo etch sheets if they've already got them here? But that's exactly what they've done. So you can see here we've got A, B, C, D and E, and you can see I've got a cross here, cross here, cross here, cross here, and I tick that one. The only fret I can see that looks the same is C, okay, which is this one here. And the other thing we can see on here, across the top it's got 1350th IJN Yamato, and the others have 1350th IJN Yamato advanced version. So these 4 frets here are different. Okay, now you're not getting this little one here, which is basically, as I told you in the review yesterday, these are the ladder rungs where you can drill out on the sides of the hull and on the superstructure and put the ladder rungs in to replace the moulded on plastic ones. Generally this is sort of reserved for 200 scale, I think. But anyway, it's here. So you don't get that fret, but you do actually get it here. So you have, there's all your ladder runs in the photo etch fret there, and there's the templates. So you can see here we've got the 3 templates, and then we've got the 3 templates, and we've got all the ladder runs here. Okay, so that's all good. There's a few other little bits and pieces on here. I think they're doors or something. I think they're probably on here somewhere, but I can't see them. The other difference is you'll see on here, on fret B, we have all these circles here, and we have all these circles here, and they are basically bases for the guns on the superstructure. And these have like the checker plate finish on them. I know it's not checker plate, but I call it that. They have the checker plate finish on them, so you can put those in the gun bases. You don't get that with the advanced kit. You're going to be left with the plastic moulding, which is absolutely fine. It's going to look absolutely great. But here you have all the photo etch to go in there, so you don't have them. You can also see here on fret D, okay, we don't have these bits here, and these are the locations for the stations for the single guns. Okay, all down the front of the hull here and everything. That's what they are. They fold up to make those. So you're not getting those. You're going to use the plastic parts in there. At least I can't see them in here. So so there you go. But everything else, other than a few little bits and pieces, I think we're pretty much. I mean, you can see with this one here, you know, we've got all our windows here for the bridge and everything there. Okay, we've got these railings here, and I think that's bits of catapults or something. But there are bits and pieces around, but they're dotted around in different positions on the frets. So yes, as I say, there's certainly some parts missing. But I mean, you've got the crane. As I say, this fret's identical by the look of it. You've got the crane and everything. That's all still there. You've got all the grab rails that go all around the or the tie-on rails, they call them, that go all around the funnel and everything. You've got all them here. Down here you can see they're all there, it's just they're laid out differently. And we've got all the grills there for the superstructure, and you can see that on here they are, where are they? Can't even see them on here, but they're there. There they are. There's all the grills for the superstructure there. So we've got all that. It's just in different places, as I say. So I'm very, very sorry if I've misled you. It wasn't the intention. This was actually what I believed to be true. and then when I've looked at it today, I've just noticed it's not. So there we go. The only reason I was looking to see what the quality of all this photo etch was like, because I've just watched Sen Navy's review where he's done the Verifier, the Tamiya and the border model, and he's concentrating on the stern, and the border model photo etch looks bloody terrible, and I just wanted to see what this was like. But he said on his it was really nice on his Verifier kit. But what he did say was the main crane, the back end of the crane, will hit the gun deck on the stern, because they've got the bases down. It needs to be lifted up. So apparently it's now been modified. So anyway, there we go, guys. I'm ever so sorry about that. Any more corrections and I will put another video out, because I don't want to mislead anybody. I still think pound for pound this is an absolute bloody bargain. But if you have got the extra 130 quid and you want to get all that extra resin and everything, then go for the DX version, of course. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.